Look at that hanging flower, Rita.
Now look up here. Look at the flowers. There's birds up in the top, Daniel. You just gotta
I
start
can hear
looking
them.
for them. Those orchids are beautiful.
Oh, there they are. There's the birds up all the way at the top in the net.
Yeah, they are. They're up there in the net and flying around. There's something over there moving the...
This is the Amazon rainforest
They might just have a
exhibit
breeze
in
over
the
there.
National Zoo.
Can you hear them?
Oh yeah, you can hear them.
Oh, look at this. Come on, Timmy.
Oh, those are the same things I have at my house. That's the same things I have.
Look at that spotted one. I saw one in Puerto Rico. He was about 15 feet across.
Look at the little tiny fish, Tim.
I know that's what I have at my house.
Look at that big one in there. That great big red
No,
spotted
look
one.
at this big one.
Yeah, look at these big, but look at the red one.
Look at the red spotted one. See him back there? Look at, he's coming this way now. He's a big one. Ooh, look at this one here.
Look at this one you missed.
Well, I'm getting them.
Looks like a pump. Look at it.
Oh, there's a nitrogen cat right there.
Oh my God.
That one like
That's the big one. Oh, look at the catfish. It's still in the other.
Yes, he's going to eat us.
Oh, look at it open its mouth this way,
Look at that
Daniel.
turtle. That turtle's biting you.
Daniel, it opened its mouth this way.
Look at these up here.
Turtle's trying to bite me.
Are those piranhas? What are those things?
What kind of fish is that thing?
It's big. Look at that. They probably tell you on here. They've got a... Well, there's some little bitty fishes. Look at them all down there.
Big.
Oh, look at that sunk boat in there. The fish is bigger than the boat. Look at that.
How did the poultry
That's a red-tailed catfish. It says that they are hunted because they got so much food. Look at his big mouth this way. He's opening it.
Look at that thing.
That fish is so I went to the great white fish shop. I went to the great white shop.
We gotta keep you safe from He really is big, isn't he, Timmy? My goodness, they're huge.
That's a piranha?
The little red one.
No, that thing there is one too. That's a piranha. Ooh.
Guys, do you guys see the turtles?
There's something over there feeding, probably. Now, that's a piranha. And there's a big blue-headed one.
Here, toss
Not
our
one in the
picture.
bottom.
There's a tarantula.
Let me see.
See?
Oh, yeah, I see it. That's cool.
That's a rose-hair tarantula. There's a rainbow boa in there. In that hole.
This one here is the golden poison frog, the most poisonous frog.
I know it
Where's he
is.
at?
Did you find it? 1, 2,
Golden poison frog.
1, 2,
There's 3 of them in there. See them? Underneath the rock, underneath the thing.
1, 2, 3, 4.
There's 4 in there? Oh yeah, there's another one over there. Those are the most poisonous frog in the world. And this is a Panamanian golden frog.